In this video, I will show you how to move a window that is off screen on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, maybe there's an app you've opened and basically the window's off screen and it's so far off screen you can't actually use your mouse to drag it back on. So even if the window is completely off screen and you can't see it at all, there is still a way to move this so it's back on screen and of course you can access it. Now to do this, what you want to do is come down to your taskbar at the bottom and hover over the apps icon, which is going to be opened for the app for the window that's off screen. So in this example, you can see my Microsoft Edge is currently off screen. So what you want to do is hover over the icon, and then once you've done that, you want to hold down Shift on your keyboard and then right click with your mouse. Once you've done that, you're going to get a menu come up like this. And from here, you want to select the option which says move. Now, once you do this, what it's going to do is move your mouse cursor to the window. And what you can then do is use the arrow keys on your keyboard. And when you actually press these, it's going to move the window back on screen. So you can put this wherever you like on screen. So I'm just going to make it more central. And once you're happy with your changes, just click onto your mouse to apply the changes. And as you can see, we've now got that window back onto our screen. So that is how to move a window that is off screen on Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.